This is a review of my new drill slash screwdriver that I got from Amazon. It's Black & Decker. Comes in this really great bag. Also comes with a charger for the battery, obviously. And a bunch of different accessories, which I haven't really gotten into a whole lot. But different little screws and drill bits. There's also another little manual screwdriver in there. One thing I'll say though, I've had 3 power drills and this one is significantly stronger, it feels like, and maybe part of that is a full charge, but I really love this power drill and I can't wait to use it.
There's the battery pack that's being charged, and it comes in a cute little bag like this. And it has some instructions in here. There's power tool, and there's some other little bits that comes with it. And also come with this too. So far so good. I like it. It does what it's supposed to. Just some handy tools to have around the home when you need it.
The first time I used it seriously, and it's making crazy smells and a whole lot of smoke. Complete junk.